How to add your Instagram link to your Opensea profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your Instagram link to your Opensea profile fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to Opensea, and this is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go here in the top and click on the profile option. Now you need to go here and click on the settings, and it will take you to this page, and here you go down and you will find the links and the Instagram. Now you can copy your Instagram link and just put it right here, or you can write your Instagram username, for example, and after you finish just click save and everything will be saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.